How is laminated wood flooring with an HDF core manufactured step by step inside a fully automated industrial factory?
Laminated wood flooring manufacturing begins with carefully selected plantation wood prepared for industrial processing. Automated conveyors move raw wood logs steadily toward the wood preparation line without manual handling.
Industrial chippers cut solid wood logs into uniform wood chips suitable for HDF fiber production.
Screening and metal detection systems remove oversized particles and contaminants automatically.
Clean wood chips are transported forward into the fiber refining section of the production line.
Inside the defibrator, controlled heat and pressure separate wood chips into individual wood fibers. PLC-controlled systems regulate temperature, pressure, and fiber consistency in real time.
Refined wood fibers are transferred automatically through enclosed pipelines to the blending stage. Wood fibers are blended with resin and functional additives using automated dosing systems.
Resin is applied evenly to each wood fiber to ensure consistent bonding strength.
Sensors continuously adjust resin ratios according to laminated wood flooring production recipes. Blended fibers are distributed evenly to form a continuous fiber mat. Automated forming systems ensure uniform density across the entire width of the fiber mat.
The fiber mat enters a continuous hot press designed for HDF core manufacturing.
High temperature and pressure compress fibers into dense and stable HDF boards.
Press parameters are adjusted automatically to maintain precise thickness and density.
Finished HDF boards exit the press and move onto controlled cooling conveyors.
Controlled cooling stabilizes the internal structure of each HDF board. CNC-controlled saws cut HDF boards precisely along the board edges.
Automated sanding machines smooth both surfaces of HDF boards for lamination.
Laser sensors verify thickness accuracy after the sanding process.
Decorative papers are impregnated with melamine resin to create laminated wood flooring surfaces.
Resin saturation and drying are precisely controlled for consistent surface quality. Overlay papers are prepared to provide abrasion resistance for flooring surfaces.
Automated stacking systems assemble decorative layers with HDF boards for lamination.
Short-cycle presses permanently bond laminated surfaces onto HDF boards. Surface textures are formed directly during the hot pressing process. Finished laminated wood flooring boards exit the press with bonded surfaces. Laminated wood flooring boards move forward to cutting and profiling lines. Automated saw lines cut large boards into standard laminated wood flooring planks. CNC machines machine precise click-lock systems along plank edges.
Tongue and groove geometry is formed with micron-level accuracy. Vision systems inspect laminated wood flooring planks continuously during production.
Non-conforming planks are automatically removed from the main conveyor.
Automated testing machines measure abrasion resistance of flooring surfaces.
Moisture resistance tests verify long-term durability of laminated wood flooring. Quality control data is recorded digitally for full product traceability. Approved laminated wood flooring planks proceed to the packaging stage.
Planks are stacked automatically into uniform retail bundles.
Packaging machines protect laminated wood flooring during transport and storage.
Automated labeling systems apply product information accurately.
Robotic systems stack packaged laminated wood flooring onto pallets. Finished pallets are stored in organized warehouse zones.
Warehouse management systems track inventory in real time.
Pallets are transferred smoothly toward loading docks for shipment. Automated forklifts load laminated wood flooring pallets into containers.
Central control rooms monitor every stage of laminated wood flooring manufacturing.
Human operators supervise systems and optimize production performance.
Synchronized production lines ensure stable output and consistent quality.
Finished laminated wood flooring surfaces combine durability with visual realism. Each plank transforms from raw fiber into a finished flooring product. Every production stage follows a precise industrial workflow.
Real-time data enables continuous improvement in flooring manufacturing.
Dust extraction and energy-efficient systems reduce emissions and waste. Wood residues are recycled back into the manufacturing process. Uniformity and precision define industrial laminated wood flooring quality. Precision-engineered edges ensure fast and secure floor installation.
Completed pallets represent controlled and repeatable industrial production.
Laminated wood flooring with an HDF core is widely used in residential, commercial, and hospitality interiors.
Modern laminated wood flooring manufacturing combines automation and material science. Automated flooring factories operate continuously with minimal downtime.
This is how laminated wood flooring with an HDF core is manufactured in a fully automated industrial factory.